In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view authorized users on your Bank of America account. If you've ever wondered who has access to your credit card, this guide is for you. Understanding who the authorized users are on your account is important, especially if you want to maintain control over your finances. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to grab your phone and open the Bank of America app. Once you've got the app open, use your username and password to log in. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so ensure they aren't easily accessible to others. After logging in, you should find yourself on the home screen, which gives you an overview of your bank accounts. Now direct your attention to the credit card account you're curious about. Simply tap on it to delve deeper. This is where you'll find more specific information related to that particular account. Once you're in your credit card section, scroll through the options until you find Manage Card Settings, or you may see something like a More option symbolized by 3 dots. This is where all the account management actions take place. After you tap into this area, the next step is to select Manage Authorized Users, or you might just see Authorized Users. Either of these options will lead you to the information you're seeking. At this stage, you should see a list of all the individuals who are authorized to use your credit card. This list is crucial as it lets you verify who can access your account, ensuring you have the correct users listed. Now, if you need to know more about a particular authorized user, or if there's a need to manage their access, just tap on their name. This action will bring up more detailed information about that user. Here, you have the ability to view certain specifics or decide if you'd like to remove them from your account. Sometimes you might find that an authorized user is no longer someone you want to have access, and this is your chance to make changes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily view and manage authorized users on your Bank of America account directly from your phone. This process is not only convenient, but also vital for keeping your financial information secure. Make sure to periodically check this list to ensure that only the individuals you trust have access to your credit card account. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful guides.